Ever wondered what makes your car roar to life every morning? Let's pop the hood and dive in. At the heart of any engine lies the cylinder, where the magic happens. Think of it as a concert hall. The piston is like a violinist moving up and down, creating power. Now, fuel injectors? They're the composers, delivering that perfect mix of fuel and air. When you turn the key or press the start button, the starter motor gives the crankshaft a nudge. This gets our piston violinist moving. The spark plug then ignites the fuel-air mix like a conductor's baton, causing an explosion that pushes the piston down. This cycle repeats: intake, compression, power, exhaust, transforming fuel into motion. So next time you rev your engine, remember it's a finely tuned orchestra playing the symphony of speed.